One of my friends, this is a great story. He lived in a house. He grew up in this house, and he listed it for a certain number, like 400,000 under. Offer comes in, negotiate, meet in the middle, did a deal, respecting that time to accept deadline like it was real, and then took a deal within 1 or 2 days of the listing. Days later, 2 more cash offers come in for $30,000 and $40,000 higher. Nobody knows value until value is proven. Don't be pressured to do a deal. Take your time. The time to accept deadline is not a deadline. It's puffery. It's contract offer puffery. It means absolutely nothing. Let me share something with you. If someone made an offer on your property, you almost can do nothing to scare them away. We often get 5 offers, 10, we've had 20 offers on properties, and we don't lose one buyer. Why? Because you're the only game in town. If you take my advice and you price it where people want to make a full price offer, where else are they going to go? There is nowhere else for them to go because everybody else is 10% overpriced. You're not. You're priced at the market. You have all their attention, so you get to sit there and call your terms out. You can call everything out, including patience. So you've got to feel no deadlines. You've got to be patient. You've got to let these buyers up their offers. You've got to leverage everything about your listing, starting with the list price and then employing obviously a lot of patience, and use the buyer's nervousness, the buyer's anxiety to buy your home is how you make money. That's how I make money, and that's how you can make money too.